Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to unlink your EA account from Steam. First, open your web browser and go to the EA website. On the top right, select the option to sign in. Once you are signed in, open your account settings. A new page will load with different options on the left side. Look for the section called Connected Accounts. Click on it and wait for the list of accounts to appear. In this list, find Steam. You will see that it is shown as connected to your EA account. Click the Unlink button next to Steam. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. After you confirm, EA will send a verification code to your email address. In your email inbox and look for the message from EA. Copy the verification code and return to the EA website. Paste the code into the box and confirm. The page will refresh and the Steam account will no longer be linked. This means your EA account and Steam are now separated. If you ever want to link them again, you can do it from the same Connected Accounts page. That is the full process. Thanks for watching.